The name actually came from the Spanish explorers, and it means red, color red, because the Colorado River carries a lot of sediment.
Are there going to be any more large dams built? Probably not. The Colorado River, in a lot of people's mind, has been overbuilt. We have a lot of dams.
River running became very popular. It was unregulated, and there were people who could, if they had a raft, they could raft down the Colorado River. And this created a problem.
Quite often nowadays, down in the Gulf of California where the river ends, it ends before there. It doesn't even make it to the Gulf.
Historically, a lot of the mine waste was dumped into the river just to get rid of it. And it was a very sad sight. And all the fish would die, but now the fish are back, and it's much, much better.
We have the land, but without the water, it's of no use for producing any kind of crops. The Colorado River is our lifeblood.